Assalamu alaikum. So the lesson today is about equations, so linear equations. So we are going to learn today how to solve two steps linear equations. So is defined by E equal C. So if A is not equal to 1, then AX plus B equals C is called so the idea of two steps is because we need to. Alright, so these two steps linear equations may take different steps linear equations may. There are four shape is X over A plus B equals C. The third shape is X plus all the shape. We have A times to solve for X. So all steps linear. So how we can solve, show you how to solve each one, but I will give you the concept that will help you solve all of them, and that concept. So to solve two steps linear equation. So the order of equations, in fact, is so which is the reverse order of operations, which mean this of equations. So the order of equation is first subtraction, addition, subtraction. You add multiplication is x, and the fourth is of operation. Down is my order of equations. This is the ID equations. So this but here this is what we are going to use for two steps division. I multiply. So those are the steps needed. Two steps in your equations. E behind how to your equations. So general idea. So if you wanna have an idea, so if I have ax plus b equals, so what I do here, so we got ax equals c. This is multiplication. So if I have, for example, x over a plus b equals c, okay, what we don't multiply. You see the order says subtract or add first. Inside that same thing here, we end up having x over a equals c. I multiply. C minus c times a. What about if I have times x plus that quantity? That means the first thing I have, I don't have addition because a times this, that means I have a multiplication. Second step, because I don't have any addition, I want. So we're gone. So what's left? X plus b equals c. Right? Then here will be x equals c over a over a equals c. So what do we have here? We have the whole thing here also subtraction. I have a number divided by a, so I use the opposite operation for division. It's by 8. Just one addition. It's minus, I will add. If it's I will subtract. So here I will minus b both sides. Your answer. So to see this very clearly, let's do some examples. So I'm going different. So they ask me to solve for this. So 2x plus 9, 13. X over 5 plus x equal x minus 3 minus x plus 9 equal 44. Let me solve one by one. Let me start with the first one. I have 2x plus 9 equal 17 equal 17. It's like x 9 equals 17. First thing I need to find out the whole thing. So here I have so done on depend on this. So 9 is independent of 2x. So I can use if I have plus, then I will subtract. So I'm going to use minus. This will cancel out. Call. How we do multiplication now? This multiplication, so what do you do? For the second one, we have 4 equal to 13. What do I have? I have, so if what I do, I add. So I still have a subtraction here because those two are independent. So I have it, so I will subtract then. This will cancel out because we become 0. What's left is 4x equal 20. Here I divide by, will end up x equal 5. As you see here, for both example, divide both subtract side, applying the order for equations, we apply the equality operation. The next example, I have x over 5 plus x equal x over 5 plus x equal 10. So here I have addition. So we end up having x over 5 equal 4. This is another notation for multiply. So I multiply both sides by 5. So this divided by 5 is just 1. So what's left is when we multiply by the same number is going to be 20. So another one. So the x minus 3 over the whole x on 4 and x depend on 4. So both of them depend on same number. That's divisible by 4. So first thing what I do with 4 both sides. I cannot add because now minus 3, we add minus 3 is cancel out, and 28 plus 3 is 31. For the last one, so here time this expression is 44. First I need to find out what is one word. You see what is one expression. So I got the value of one expression because 4 divided by 4 is just 1, and 44 divided by 4 and minus 9. Okay. So what's left is x, and 11 minus will be your solution, your equation. I hope you understand the idea behind and the concept, and you understand the order of common that let me improve. Thank you for you, and salam alaikum.